I asked ChatGPT for the best dividend stocks as an AI language model. I don't have access to current market trends and economic outlooks. However, here is a list of 10 stocks based on high dividend yield and historical data. At TT dividend yield, 7.03%. ATT is a telecommunications giant that has been paying out steady dividends since the 1980s. Despite the challenges of the telecommunications industry, it has remained profitable and boasts a healthy balance sheet. Verizon Communications VZ dividend yield, 4.18%. Another telecommunications company, Verizon has shown resilience to market turbulence with its consistently high dividend yield. As a leader in 5G technology, it is poised for further growth. IBM Corporation IBM dividend yield, 4.88%. The technology company has undergone major reorganization in recent years, but its dividend remains a steady aspect of its portfolio. ExxonMobil XOM dividend yield, 7.89%. As an energy company, ExxonMobil has weathered fluctuations in the global market, providing investors with steady dividends for over a century. Chevron Corporation CVX dividend yield, 5.74%. Another member of the energy sector, Chevron has maintained its dividend payout ratio around 56 to 68 for over a decade, signaling stability. Procter & Gamble PG dividend yield, 2.68%. As a consumer goods company, PG has steadily increased its dividend payout over the years alongside solid financial performance. Johnson & Johnson dividend yield, 2.56%. The medical and pharmaceutical company offers a reliable dividend based on its long track record of growth and success in research and development. Coca-Cola Company KO dividend yield, 3.21%. Coca-Cola is a consumer goods company that has paid growing dividends since 1963, signaling a stable performance, which compensates for weaker share value growth. Pfizer Incorporated PFE dividend yield, 4.23%. As the world's largest pharmaceutical company, Pfizer is a reliable option for investors looking for a dependable dividend payout. Bristol Myers Squibb Company. Bristol Myers Squibb dividend yield, 3.17%. Another pharmaceutical and healthcare corporation, Bristol Myers Squibb is recognized for consistent dividend payouts over the years despite market fluctuations. As an AI language model, I am not a licensed financial planner or analyst, therefore, it is suggested that further market research is conducted and transactions should be executed with the consultation of a professional. Instead, investors should consider chatbots or financial advisors that use AI algorithms and are backed by human analysts who analyze financial data sets to provide recommendations for buying or selling high-paying dividend stocks. Chatbots, such as Betterment or Wealthfront, offer a range of investment options including exchange-traded funds ETFs that focus on dividend-paying stocks with a long-term perspective. Additionally, personal financial advisors like Charles Schwab, TD Ameritrade or Merrill Edge can provide personalized financial planning advice and investment recommendations. It's worth noting, however, that investing in high-paying dividend stocks carries risks. Dividend payments are not guaranteed and can be cut or eliminated in times of financial distress. Additionally, investing in individual stocks, as opposed to mutual funds or ETFs, can be more volatile and require more active management. Overall, ChatGPT can be a useful tool to gather financial news, data trends, and market insights. However, it should not be the end-all be-all when making investment decisions. Instead, investors should consider a range of sources of financial advice such as chatbots, personalized financial advisors, and fundamental analysis of financial markets to make informed decisions. Have you used ChatGPT for investment advice? Comment below. Thanks for visiting Free Market Economy.